How to design a web page. There are two basic types of websites. The website can either be for personal or business use. Personal websites can be one of the following types. It can be a portfolio, a professional website, or a blog. The format for the personal websites can be formal, trendy, or casual, depending on the person's personal style. For the business types of websites, you need to think about your line of business. Is your business an e-commerce one, a bakery, a manufacturing company, or one that offers a service such as a hairdresser? If you are designing a website that sells products online, then you need to have images of the products and the descriptions of them on the web pages. These products need to be organized into categories on the website. If you are designing an e-commerce website, then it has to have a payment option, delivery option, and it may have a product review section. If you have a hairdressing website to design, then you can have images of the types of hairstyles that are current and have a fresh looking website if your target audience is younger persons. If you have a food shop, you have to have images of the different food items that are sold and the prices. The location of the shop, the opening hours, and location need to be on the website. Choose a theme and layout that displays your products or goods to your target audience. Website structure. You should be able to group the information into categories, subcategories, and sub-subcategories after you have looked at the requirements for the website. You design your website structure during the planning stages of the website. Here's an example of a website structure. So here we have the home page as the first landing page. Then on this particular website structure, the person would have two categories to select from, right? And the category on the left has two subcategories. The category on the right has two subcategories. And in the subcategories to the left on this branch of the website structure has two more subcategories, right? Wireframe for the web page. A wireframe is used in web page or app design to show the structure of the page using simple black and white layout. So you could use a pencil and a sheet of paper just to sketch where the different elements will be located on the web page. So in this example, these three boxes with the X located in each of these three boxes would represent in this wireframe diagram pictures. So we'd have two pictures, not necessarily the same pictures, but two pictures of the same size and another picture of, of a smaller size. And these boxes would represent text, right? Or they could also represent areas on the side that would be fillable areas, meaning a person could enter, for example, their email or their name. Content. You have to decide on what content will be on the website. The content can be text, graphics, images, photographs, or videos. If you are making a website for a company, for example, a supermarket, then you will need the name of the supermarket, the logo, the information of the product sold, the photographs of the supermarket, either on the inside or on the outside, the location, and also if it has different locations. And this is where the management of the content comes into the planning of the website. So we are now looking at management of the content. And this would include what is the company about or who is the person. If the website is about a person, for example, maybe a movie star or a singer, right? A singer or a movie star would not necessarily be a company, right? What products or services does a company or person offer? The contact information for the company or the person, the detailed description of the products or services offered by the company or the person, photographs that will be used on the website to showcase the products or services, and content management will also include the updating of the content. In summary, in today's video, we looked at how to design a web page.
Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment, and share.